Hello everyone, my name is Shaimi and I welcome you all in this healthy and joyful day. Today we all have gathered here to have a debate on an amazing and enormous and interesting and the most controversial and the paramount topic, which is about the Hindi, that Hindi should be declared as the national language of India or not. So what I really strongly and firmly believe is that Hindi must be declared as the national language of India, and I have so many reasons to prove myself and my words correct. So let's begin. The debate begins with a question that what is the need of having a national language? I would give you the two comments over it. The first one is about the dominance of the foreign languages like English, Spanish and French. These three languages are dominating over the Indian culture, over the Indian languages. So to decrease the dominance of these all Spanish language and all these foreign languages, we need to have a national language because of which the grace, the proud of our India will increase. And proudly we would be able to say that Hindi is our national language and we do not feel embarrassed to speak Hindi. And next is about the unity. I would give the example by class 12th. Most of us have passed 12th class and some of are in 12th class and some of you will come in 12th class. So in 12th class you have English literature book Flamingo. In that chapter you have the first lesson which is the last lesson. In that chapter the moral I will give you, that is the unity, that it is the only the language which can unite the people. It is only the language which is key to freedom. It is only the language which is the key to your handcuffs. So why can't we have, or why don't we need a national language? And the next question comes, that is that which language has to be the national language? So as you all know, and data survey, even the reports also says that majority of the India speaks Hindi. Not only because of the majority, I would say, I just take the example of tourism. Many foreigners come in India to visit like Indian culture, Indian heritage. They visit the historical monuments and so many things they visit. And you know what? There are so many foreigners who are following the Indian culture, and along with that, they are learning Hindi language, not Tamil, not Malayalam, but they are learning Hindi. So what does it show? It shows that Hindi is known by India and India is known by the Hindi. So why can't we have Hindi as a national language? Now you may say or say.
Sorry. What? Okay. I'm Rehan Saifi. After that, you know what, as she was mentioning about the Hindi, so let me tell you what's their speculation. First of all, they are saying Hindi is equal to India, and India is equal to Hindi, and it equals to we are great. It's a totally alive myth. You know what, in the India there are 28 states, as we all know. Yeah, first, before this, I want to tell that if you will support your leaders, whoever ruling on you, you are Indian. If you are against them, you are terrorist, you are Pakistani. Similarly, if you speak Hindi in the Hindustan, you are Hindustani, you are Indian. If you do not speak Hindi, you are Pakistani. This thing happens in the India. Second thing, if I talk about the states, you know what, there are 28 states in the India. Out of 28 states, I think just 8 or 9 states speak Hindi. Sorry, the form of Hindi. I am telling the states' names. First of all, there is UP, and then Delhi, then Rajasthan, Haryana, MP, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Bihar, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Yeah. In the UP, there are many kind of forms of Hindi, like they speak Avdi, Braj Bhasha and Bundeli, and even Hindi also. Yeah. They speak Rajasthani in the Rajasthan, in the Haryana, Haryanvi, in the MP, Malvi, Bundeli and Bagheli. In the Chhattisgarhi, in the Jharkhand, Sadri, Mundari, Ho. In the Bihar, Bihari, Bhojpuri, Magahi. In the Himachal, Pahari, and in the Uttarakhand, Kumaoni and Gadwali. In these all states, they never speak the real Hindi. They speak the form of Hindi in the 8 states. Okay, we make the national language Hindi. What about 20 states? Okay. Can they learn? No way. And
he was mentioning about the forms of the Hindi, that in 8 states, different kinds of Hindi is spoken. So that is what is the beauty of the Hindi language, that in Hindi has different kind of forms. So anyone you can speak, whatever you are getting or understanding, you can speak that language. It's not a big deal. And already Hindi is an official language. So if it becomes a national language, what's a big deal in that? And the next thing, the next most controversial thing comes, that is about the South India. You were mentioning that there's like there will be a conflict, riots between the South India, North India, East India, West India. So listen, I would clear this point by giving the example of Bollywood versus Tollywood. We know these days South Indian movies are on their peak. They are getting like fame a lot in the, especially in the North India. Have you ever thought that if these all thing movies wouldn't have been dubbed in Hindi, would it become this much famous? No. All the South Indian movies are being dubbed in Hindi. That's why they're becoming famous, especially in North India as well, in other countries as well. So the South Indian filmmakers, actors, directors, producers, they also think that Hindi is that language which can make their movies a blockbuster movies. But this person says that no, Hindi is not a good language. And the thing which you were mentioning about Amit Shah and Prime Minister, the COVID-19, Hindi defeated COVID-19. So you are totally diverting from the topic. Here we are talking about that Hindi should be the national language or not. We are not saying here BJP versus Congress, BJP versus Hindi or not. That is not the topic. And next thing is about the English. Many people were saying here that English is only the language, English is that, English is that. So again, you all are diverting from the topic. Here we are not debating Hindi versus English. We are saying that Hindi should be the national language or not. So do not say about anything English. I know that you might say, so please do not say anything about English language here. Yeah.
Okay, if we are diverting from the topic, are you less than to us? No way. You're also diverting. Man, girl, sorry, woman, sorry. You know what? Why are you talking about the Ajay Devgan and the Sundeep Kicha? You know what? Whatever she was speaking, she was not speaking. Ajay Devgan's tongue was speaking. Ajay Devgan spoke this line and you are speaking this line and you cram this line and you are coming here and you are speaking. Why to touch up the Hindi language? Why? You are speaking these whole things. Do not speak.
Okay.
I have seen that video. Okay. Except that, you know what? Whenever we think about the language, the biggest conflict which comes in a mind, that is about the Sri Lanka. As I don't know, many people know about the Sri Lanka or not, I'm telling, but you know what, in the Sri Lanka, basically there are two languages, Singli and the Tamil, but Singli are in the majority and Tamil are in the minority. So what did the government did? Once government declared Singli as a national language. After that, the riot began to take place and the government didn't do anything. After that, from 1956 to 2009, there was civil war, there was conflict, there was war even. And you know what? After that, in the 2009, India, Scandinavia, Norway, and Sweden had to do any kind of agreement.
Is India equal to Sri Lanka?
Let me speak. India can never be the equal of Sri Lanka and North Sri Lanka. You know what?
So how can you compare India to Sri Lanka?
Let me speak, girl. After that, what happened? Tamil means there was a war just because of two languages, and same is happening with the Lithuania, Estonia, Latvia, and the Ukraine. Let me speak now. Just let me speak. Let me speak. You know what? Just there were just two languages, Singli and the Tamil. What about the India? India has thousands of languages and the thousands of mother tongues, and 22 are officially. I am telling how many languages are here officially.
No, you don't.
I will tell. You need to know.
You need to know. 22 we don't need to know. I know already.
You need to know. Let me speak.
No, do not waste the time.
Just let me speak. How many languages are here officially? There is Assamese. You know what? More than half languages from this list, you don't know. You have never heard about this. I'm telling. Assamese, Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Maithili, Malayalam, Manipuri, Marathi, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santhali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu, and many more languages are here. But in Sri Lanka, there were just two languages. Here, there are thousands of languages. What do you think? What will happen with the India? There will not be any kind of battle. You know what will be there? There will be carnage and nothing happens.
We want a world war.
I don't want a world war. You want a world war.
Just listen
You
me
want
now.
world war.
So here you are mentioning about the languages, that of course India has thousands of languages. I do agree with this thing, and we, by making Hindi as a national language, we are not disrespecting the other regional languages. The way of implementation has to be better there. I'm not saying just impose the Hindi or just you have to give up your regional languages. That it is the responsibility, it is the obligation of the government that how will they implement Hindi as a national language. Not directly they will implement it, gradually they can implement it. And if you think that there will be riots, world war, I was saying that if world war can take place here, and you were giving some examples of Sri Lanka as well, that Sri Lankan government did nothing for removing the riots. So what are you thinking, that Indian government is equal to Sri Lankan government? Of course not. And Indian people are also not equal to Sri Lankan people. So how can you compare this much? Sri Lanka is really cannot defeat or cannot even compete the India. And you were mentioning and you were giving lots of example about the languages. So look, in this world, the rights, the conflicts keep on happening. That's not a big deal, really, brother. That's not a big deal. So it doesn't mean that we will not need we should not make a national language just because of the fear, but because of the fear, the conflict of South Indian and North Indian. There are so many other reasons we can make it a national language. It's just all about your thinking.
Okay, done. Finish. Let me speak now. If we talk about the government, you know, in 2017, the government tried to spend 400 crore rupees to change to make Hindi as a national language. 400 crore rupees. You know what can I do in the 400 crore rupees? I can make hundreds of schools where we can get
what
education.
Is the problem with Indian people?
Let me speak now. Let me speak now.
Hear me out. I really do not understand this thing. What is the problem with these Indian people?
Let me speak. Let me speak. Sir, just one line. You know what? When the Amit Shah said these old lines that Hindi should be the national language because of this and that, then what did the South people said? A group of South people said this thing. Let me speak. You know what they said? Just keep mum. They said, you know what? Jallikattu was a protest in the Tamil and the South. In the South, sorry. There, 2 lakh people came on the road and many hundreds of people died. Then what happened? After this speech of the Amit